Hello, and thank you for watching my slicing tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a web page out of the layout image that you've made. This is a layout that I've already made for a friend of mine. Now I'm just going to reslice it. Now I'm going to make a slice for the header, one for this side part right here, one for the menu bar, one for that little space in between the two boxes right there, one for the content box, one for that other side, and one for the bottom. Now to get started, let's go up to slices, divide slice, and divide. We need to figure out how many slices horizontally and vertically we're going to need. I'm going to have a slice for the header, a slice for all this because it's on the same horizontal part, and a slice for the bottom, so that's going to be 3. See right there, it's all almost even. Now I'm going to need one for the side, one for that, one for in the middle, one for the big box, one for the other side. 5. You'll see what I mean in a minute because I'm just babbling on. Okay, now just drag the edges of them, the very edges, with the slice select tool to where they need to be. And when you're working with the slices that are kind of bordering, I guess, the actual content parts, you want to have them inside the box a bit so that the text doesn't go to the very, very edge. That looks all crappy. Okay, we have everything we need, but I wanted one slice for all this. I didn't want 5 different slices. So what we need to do is just select all that and right click it and combine slices. And now we have one slice for the header like we needed. Now do it down there for the footer also. And everything is all sliced up. Now we need to save optimized as index.html, replace all that because I've already done this. And let's go over to WebWriter. This is WebWriter, which is one of my favorite HTML editors ever. Okay, open up our web page and see there is our layout. Now you can see we have this table with all the different table cells. What we need to do first is we need to open up the file in whatever web browser. Mine has a built-in one, but right click the content part, one of the content parts, and you can see this index 03. We're going to need that so we know which table to modify. Now my other content box is index 05. So let's go over here and find index 03.jpg. Now select from the equals sign all the way over to the second quote for the height value. Oh wait, I just pasted that. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, select that, cut instead of paste. Now write background and then paste it, so it'll have background equals blah 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 with all the width and the height and stuff. Now type v-align equals top, and that'll make it so that the text is at the top of the box instead of in the middle of the box, so it looks better. Now just delete the remnants of the image thingy, and you can put whatever you want here. Now do the same thing down here with image 05. Delete the remnants of that. And there you have it. You have your layout with your content boxes. You can put whatever you want in there. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to show you how to make it stretchable so that it doesn't get all out of whack when you have a ton of text that scrolls down the page. Now we need to find all the ones that are parallel to your content boxes. So the left side is index 02, and it goes 02, 03, 04, 05, and then all the way over here you have 06. So let's go to, what was it? Okay, 2. Now we need to do the same thing that we did with index 03 and index 05 with all the other ones. So I'll go ahead and pause it while I do that, because I don't think you really want to watch that. Okay, there we go, done. Oh, and before you do that, I forgot to say you don't need to add the v-align equals top, because we're not going to be putting any text in there. But let's go. All the ones that you just did, index 02 through 06, I want you to replace the height with 100%. You don't need the quotes for some reason. So 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. And that's it. So now, if we have a ton of text here, let's see, copy a lot of that over. If you have a ton of text, it'll keep scrolling down, and it won't mess up all the alignment. It'll stretch. See, it's stretched to fit that. So that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and I hope you found it useful. If you don't get it, or there's something that I didn't cover, or you have any questions about it, feel free to email me or message me on YouTube or instant message me, however you want to do it. So that's it. It's done. See you next time.